लेके गया तो अभी 800 रुपये उसको मैंने एक बार 800 रुपये तो वो वही बन जाए वो देगा तो वो भी देगा अपने पास। हाँ बता दूँगा मेरे आना
परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, सेना मेडल, senior advisor Brigadier Madhu Mehbubani, senior member on the board of the Green Shoes Play School, Dr. and Mrs. Pradeep Bharadwaj, who are expected to join us in some time, and little kids and ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. Before we start proceeding for the day, to welcome our guests, I will request Anvesha to present a bouquet of flowers to Mrs. Indira Walia.
Madam, please, camera please. Thank you.
I shall now request Manraj to present a bouquet of flowers to Mrs. Dipali Mehbubani.
Madam.
At the outset, I wish to thank General and Mrs. M.M. Walia and all our guests for sparing valuable time from their busy schedule to be with us to grace the occasion. The General Officer has tons of experience for having served in various important positions held during his illustrious service career. He has authored more than 55 books so far on personal management. The General is the president of an internationally acclaimed Yogi Institute of Holistic Management and is well-known authority on holistic management. I'm sure with his presence amongst us, we all are going to benefit from his experience. Ladies and gentlemen, I very briefly wish to apprise you that in the Green Shoes, we have adopted Early Years Foundation State Basic Knowledge Curriculum for our kids, namely Learning Through Play. Our integrated curriculum lays an emphasis on the phonics and English readiness program to develop language skills of kids, age-appropriate personal and social skills, emotional and intelligence quotient, and spiritual and physical development, including the life skills. These areas were focused on igniting kids' imagination, curiosity, and enthusiasm for learning, with a view to provide them smooth transition to a formal school and become independent to handle their routine situations. Having successfully completed our second year of play school, we decided to organize a parents' open house to take stock of kids' learning curve. I am pleased to share with you that our little kids have also prepared a short program to display their skills under the guidance of their teachers. I am sure you will carry lots of positives from their performance. Now I shall hand over to Aradhya to proceed with the event. Thank you.
Everyone, I feel myself most privileged to have been given this opportunity to co-host today's program. First, we will have a group event followed by individual performances by some of our children and finally again a group event to conclude our presentation. The first group dance being performed by our kids is based on the song If You're Happy. I request Ratna ma'am and Neeru ma'am to escort our little performers on the stage. On the stage is Anushka and she will recite the poem I Am Thunder. recite Twinkle Twinkle. Good morning, everyone.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, in the Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Sachin. May I now request Deepika to come and recite her rhyme, Baba Black Sheep. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Going to recite Johnny Johnny.
ऊंची ऊंची जैस्मिन ऊंचा ऊंचा जोर से ऊंची
May I now request Johanna to come up and recite Two Little Dicky Birds. Now, and she will recite Johnny Johnny.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Johnny Johnny.
Now we have Prerna and she will recite I Am Thunder.
Prerna loudly. Good morning, everyone. Chalo, I Am Thunder. Start. 1, 2, 3, start. Good morning.
Morning.
Second
Thank you.
Now we have Anuja and she will recite ABC. Good morning, everyone.
ABCD.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anuja. Here comes Laurie and she will be reciting 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Once again. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Start. 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 1, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up 6. 7, 8, lead up 6. 9, 10, a pistol hat. Thank you. Thank you, Laurie. Now, Manasvi will come and recite Machli Jal Ki Rani.
Manasvi, look here. Good girl. Good girl. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Manasvi. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Raja recite teapot. Good morning, everyone. Albert teapot, shut this down. This is my head, and this is my mouth. But the water's falling, here we shout. Just pick it up and pour me out. Thank you. Next is Adam Gupta.
क्या बोलेगा? हैं? कौन सी पॉइंट बोलेगा? पहले गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ऊंचा बोलना, ऊंचा।
Loudly, Idam, loudly. Johnny.
Donny.
Yes,
Papa. This is your banana, Papa.
telling.
Open your mouth. Thank you, Adam. The last. The last individual performer of the day is Manraj, and he shall recite Old MacDonald. Good morning, everyone. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with the moo-moo there and the moo-moo there, and the moo there, and the moo everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O, and the moo goes there, and the moo goes there, there goes there, everywhere goes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, everyone.
मैं गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन बोलो।
Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। अच्छा वैसे गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। जॉनी बोलो जॉनी यस बोलो जॉनी
वहाँ जाना है मम्मा के पास
जॉनी
Shania, start.
पापा ही सुना दे जॉनी बोलो
Start.
अच्छा बैठ कम यार जॉनी बोलो इसमें प्लीज बराबर अच्छा मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ
नो पापा टेलिंग द लाइन्स नो पापा ओपन योर माउथ हाँ
Good morning, everyone. Best of paper, lines gonna fly, Peppa, Dorothy, Peppa, Dorothy, big enough, judgment.
थैंक यू
Thank you. By our youngest performers, Anushka and Arjun, and we are going to recite Johnny.
Start. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you appreciate the presentation made by our little kids. As a token of appreciation, I would request you to give a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Now I shall request General Officer to please come up and award certificate of graduation to our outgoing kids. So please, escort your children to the stage. Can I have Adya call on the stage, please?
Sir, locate. Sir, एक मिनट wait, just wait. Sir, locate. Sir.
May I now request Agampreet's parents to please come up with Agampreet.
Sir, locate. Sir, wait. सामने देखो. मैडम इधर. मैडम सामने देखिए.
Can we have Anugya Jha on the stage, please? Anugya Jha. Now I shall call upon Anvesha Thiman. Oh, Anugya is coming.
Sir, locate. मैडम सामने देखिए मैडम. मैडम इधर. Sir, locate. Okay. Sir, locate. Sir, locate. सर लोकेट सर सामने सर लोकेट हाँ जी सर सर सामने देखिएगा सर इधर लोकेट
Now we shall have our sheet call.
सर सामने सर लोकेट
Now we have our feast weight on the stage.
सर लोकेट सर सामने का
Kathy,
हाँ जी सर सर लोकेट सर सामने का ओके
Manya and Manasvi, please come near the stage.
You take Manya with you. Then her name is.
सर लोकेट सर सामने सर इधर ओके इधर आओ पीछे आओ सर इधर मैडम इधर मैडम
Now Manya comes on the stage. May I request Manasvi's parents to please come near the stage.
ओके
एक सेकंड
Noreen and Sachin next.
सामने सर लोकेट सर लोकेट सर इधर
Now we have Noreen Khan. Please come near the stage.
हाँ जी सर
Now we have Sachin.
हाँ जी सर सर सामने सर लोकेट
Now we have Samarth Verma.
लोकेट जी मैडम इधर सर इधर सर इधर सर लोकेट सर सामने सर इधर देखिए ओके सर सामने सर लोकेट इधर देखिएगा सर सर सामने सर ओके
The first one to come is Anishka. And Jasmine and Joanna Vijo.
हाँ जी सर सामने सर इधर देखिए सामने
Now we have Arjun Agarwal.
हाँ जी सर सामने देखिएगा सर सामने
Next to come is Arnav Thakur.
सामने सर लोकेट सर सामने सर लोकेट
Next we
Saamne
have
sir.
Jasmine.
सर सामने
The next one to come is Joanna Vijo.
सर लोकेट
Navya and Prerna.
सामने सर लोकेट सर सामने देखिएगा हाँ जी सर
Now we have Prerna. Revant and Shania near the stage.
Sir, look at. सर सामने इधर देखिए सामने सर सर आप इधर देखिए हाँ जी सर सर लोकेट लोकेट मैडम सामने ना सर
compliment Brigadier Iqbal, Mr. Iqbal, and they are a very efficient team who have prepared the children for the future. And also must compliment the parents who are there with them. Seeing these small kids, and I'm very happy to note that they are mostly girls, that we have a very bright future waiting. It's very nice to see the performance of both the children, and those who are passing out, I can wish a lot of good luck to them, and those who are going to stay on here, best of the year ahead. I'm sure the grooming and the nurturing that is taking place here in this lovely school will do the kids and their parents a lot of good in the time to come. Since I've been told to the DOU both having a power. आपको बड़े बड़े गिफ्ट ला के देते हो, महंगे महंगे ड्रेसें, महंगे महंगे खिलौने, लेकिन हमारे गुरुजी साहब जी उनको मेरे साहब, और सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट जो आप बच्चों को दे सकते हो वो आपसी प्यार और मोहब्बत। ये बात समझ में आती है? The love between the father and the mother that you can show and exhibit in your home to your small children. Firstly, they now will do it good also, not just for children. But I think I totally agree with you. You don't have to do any leadership development program for them. You don't have to put them to very good convents and send them to best of school. This is the best that you can give, and it's not so easy. I'm not sure whether it's easy or not. But that, and also my Guruji said that if you have some differences to iron out, go out to the house, do what you want to do, fight, you can do whatever boxing you want to do, you can do, but not in front of the children. I hope you follow on this, and this is the thing that I have done. I wish my Guruji had told me this 50 years ago. I really would have done what we were doing all this time for the children. But my children are alright, no problem. So please remember that your total investment that you are putting in the banks and FDs and wherever, this is your future. And please remember, this is not only the future of the country. First, we look after your own children, give them the best that you have, and that I told you, give them a lot of love and affection. Rest of it, the schools and colleges will look after. But at home, give them the best that you can give. That is your love. With that, I think once again compliment beginning to say Iqbal and Vishakha, of course I can't leave her behind. She will also be behind the scene working. And today, Ambalika is here, Aradhya is here. And I see some very good old friends of 89, 90 vintage. Is that right? 5 years? So I was a youngster and he was still younger than guys used to fly me all over. You know where the area, if you can remind you, is the place from where the Dalai Lama in 1959 came. So it's a called Ball of Fire Division, and it's a most difficult place to serve, but this is the area from where the Chinese came. And in 1989-90, I happened to be along with him and looking after the border. So those are reminiscences of the good old days. May I wish you once again a very happy New Year, and wish the organization here at the school all the very best. And I'm sure I haven't seen such things from school anywhere, but I think I'm very happy that you have called me here to share the happiness of the day. I wish you all the very best, all the very best in time to come. Please look after your small kids. There is nothing more that you can do for their future. Thank you and all.
My first occasion when I've been told to speak to young parents. I've been talking to my children and telling them about how to groom small kids. Being from the service background, possibly we are known as little crude, or maybe are, when we are talking to someone, we are called little brash. But this is my first occasion when I have seen a program like this. My compliments to the management of Green Shoots, and of course to young parents who are grooming their children in such a nice school. Today being the new year, not only Gudi Parva, then Navroz for Parsis and Cheti Chand for Sindhi. These are the 3 new years today, and of course the new year for our young kids who are celebrating their graduation ceremony. My compliments and best wishes to you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I am sure all parents will tremendously benefit from your talk. May I request the audience to give a big round of applause? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the house is now open to all the parents to make suggestions they may have any to guide us to improve our approach for our new school session. Parents desiring to make suggestions are requested to come over to the podium and introduce themselves with reference to their child for the benefit of all those present in the audience.
I want to share a few thoughts. She's my first child and I was very nervous about sending her to a school, and she just completed her 2 years. It was very difficult for me to turn my back on my little daughter when she entered the school, and so to say, leave her with complete strangers. But I decided to do that and entrust the teachers and the staff. To my surprise, she really accommodated herself very well. She's been taken care in a very good manner. I must appreciate the efforts put in by the teachers and Mr. Iqbal, of course. I was allowed to be in the school with Shanaya for a good 2-3 days so that I could make her comfortable. Because when a child enters a new school, it's very difficult for the child to accommodate in a new environment with new people. So I was there in the school for good 2 days, and after that I never heard any teacher say that Shanaya was crying for her mother. So she totally forgot me. It was like home away from home for Shanaya in the school. She also got hurt once, and it was the first injury, so to say, in the school, and I was really surprised. I mean, the way they've taken care of her. They took her to the hospital. They gave her first aid without even letting us know, and she was even taken to the picnic the same day. So in all, I would say the experience with Green Shoots has been really well, and I say all the best to all the parents for putting the child here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Can we have someone else? Major Virender Singh, Yuvika's father.
The Green Shoots Play School is not only a play school, it's a second home for the kids. they'll get all the relations over there, including mother, father, grandparents, or brothers and sisters. It's my personal request to Brigadier Iqbal, if sir and ma'am can shift to the same place, so that the kids who are requiring more time with them, they can. That's only a personal request. Thank you.
You introduce your profession first. थोड़ा सा आगे बता दें.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm also a teacher. I work with Balbharti, Kusarol, and being a first child, he's very well settled here, and we all family members are very well satisfied in this Green Shoots family, and heartily thanks to all, especially so Daddy, Mom, and all the teachers. Thank you so much for taking so much of efforts and care for our child. Thanks for all again. Thank you.
Mathur and I'm Manaski's mother from the outgoing batch. It has been absolutely lovely being part of the Green Shoots family, and I'm very fortunate to have stumbled upon the school. I must reassure all the parents of the new batch that you've made a very correct choice of choosing this school. Because here I found Green Shoots was one school which understood the concept of a play school. That it is meant for play. That you cannot have too many do's and don'ts for children of this particular age. And they made adjustments suiting the different needs of different children. And what else? Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, all the staff. I'm not taking your names. Teachers, the coordinator, even the helpers, I must not leave them out, for taking care of my child for this entire year. And I wish you all the very best for the future. May you scale new heights, sir, with the school. And to all Manaski's friends and classmates, I wish you a very bright future, children. May you bloom and glow forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have Mr. Khan, Noreen's father.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I think this is a good opportunity for me to, say something about this Green Shoots school. When I was looking for my daughter's play school, she's also my first child. I was looking for a lot of, I got to know a lot of play schools which are there in Dwarka. And, we were not sure which school is the good one where, we should get our daughter into this school. So I would say I was very fortunate enough that somebody, told me about this Green Shoots school in my society, and we met Brigadier Iqbal, and thereby we, came to know about this school. So I must say, I'm very fortunate that my daughter, got the right school basically, and I have also written an article about this school in the newspaper. So I must appreciate that the treatment of the kids are extremely good. It's like a family, and nothing more to say, but I must say, everyone should go for such kind of school where, there is a lot of love and affection from the teachers, and they take care of the child. Thank you.
Gaurav Manchanda.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gaurav Manchanda. I'm Shanaya's father, and my wife was the first one to actually come over and speak about her experience. I just want to add to it. I want to say that I really want to thank my wife and Ratna ma'am for actually bringing my daughter here. I was not in the country when she was admitted in the school, and I had my own fears. I had my own doubts about the decision that my wife took behind me. And when I met Mr. Iqbal for the first time and I saw my daughter, I was more than assured that she is at the right place. And I actually drop my daughter every day in the morning to the school. And believe you me, going to the school and getting off the car is the happiest thing that my daughter does every day. I really want to thank Mr. Iqbal for running the school, doing a lot for the kids, and I know that he goes overboard on many occasions to ensure that the kids are taken care of. So it's a very good decision and you're doing a very good job, sir. Thank you.
Good everyone. I'm Karan Naresh. I came from Noida. It's very nice of Brigadier Mr. Iqbal to call me over here. Actually met him last maybe a month before. I'm trying to establish one small school in UP, in Western UP, a small village in district Muzaffarnagar. I was told by Brigadier Iqbal that to start a primary school or nursery school, you need lot of permission from UP government or CBSE board. But then he said, to start a play group of pre-nursery, you don't need any permission and then you will start. It is nice of you to call me today, and I learned a lot of initiatives, lot of training by the team they give it to the young kids. And I'm sure with this all small exposure, the parents over here must be enjoying. And same way I think it will be very nice for me. I'll start once I go back to my village and learn certain things from Brigadier Iqbal and his team, and then start a play school or pre-nursery school in my hometown. I'm very delighted. Thank you very much.
For implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now request Brigadier Iqbal Singh BSM to present our school mementos and DVDs of the current academic session to General Walia. Sir, please.
DVD first
Thank you.
I shall now request Brigadier Mehbubani to please accept our school memento.
Sir, look here. Sir, look here. Sir, look here. Thank you.
Our school memento.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, look here. Sir. Yeah, once more. Thank you.
I shall now request Dr. Pradeep Bharadwaj, who has joined us just now, to please come up and accept the memento.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir, look here. Sir, look here. Sir, look here, sir.
Sir, would you like to say something?
My son Angad is the second child of this school, and I got admissions of my son in this school because of the Board of Management. The Board of Management associated with this school is from Army, and Army में एक चीज कहते हैं the service above the nation. तो स्कूल जो भी सर्विस कर रहा है वो एक तरीके से आप कह सकते हैं above the nation. स्कूल की वजह से my son got admissions at Mount St. Mary School, Delhi Kent in prep standard, and I must congratulate the staff, the team, Jan Saab, Brigadier Saab, and the entire staff of Greenshoe School. Thank you very much.
Thank you, General and Mrs. Walia, and all the guests for sparing your valuable time to be with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have laid light refreshment. You are requested to join us for a cup of tea. While you are having refreshment, we are also playing selective clippings of our school kids participating in various indoor and outdoor activities. Ladies and gentlemen, before you leave, you are requested to collect your kids' folder from Mrs. Ratna Roy and also endorse your views on the parents' book for our guidance. Further, parents who are interested in obtaining photographs of today's program may approach Studio Dheeraj, Manish Chambers 1, near Bal Bhavan International School, Sector 12, Dwarka. The photographs can be obtained on making payment directly to the studio. Thank you, everyone. Please proceed for tea.